guys, my name is Skyler. Today I'm doing a pack with me for Europe video. I spent a lot of time curating these outfits. You will definitely realize by the end of this video I am a certified overpacker because I am so excited for this trip and I love fashion a lot. So let's go ahead and get into the outfit ideas. We're gonna start this video off with some trench and raincoat outfits. I definitely have acquired a lot over the past few months to prepare for the trip. It's supposed to be kind of rainy in the spring, so I wanted to make it a little bit more fun and colorful, so let's get into these outfits first. This is the first outfit I have. I am in love with this little jacket that I thrifted recently. I actually got this at a thrift store in Tampa called Red, White, and Blue Thrift. I love the button details with the white stitching around it. A corduroy midi skirt from Jerf Avenue. This fun little pocket detail on the front, which I think makes it a little bit more unique. I think it's really fun for spring and just love the colors together. Pairing it with some red Rothy Mary Janes because these are my favorite shoes ever, and you will see by the end of this video I will be rotating my Rothys every single color that I have. This next outfit is super fun because I wanted to play a little bit more with color combos. It's a trench coat from Ralph Lauren. It is so gorgeous. It's this beautiful white / cream jacket, and I also have this top from brandy Melville underneath, and then I have these baggy low-rise jeans from Abercrombie & Fitch, and of course another pair of Rothys. This is my next outfit, which I have not quite yet finalized because there's some details that I might change. I'm not sure. I feel like the monochrome outfits are very in from what I've seen and the research I've done. This classic trench coat is from Coach. I love the quality, great material. I feel like this is a perfect length. Underneath here is this top that I thrifted quite a while ago from Goodwill. Jeans from Abercrombie & Fitch. They're the classic baggy low-rise, which is going to be almost all the jeans in this video. And then I have these heels from Target actually. Just these tiny little kitten heels. I'm not sure if I'm going to wear them because people are always like don't wear heels there, but I might want to pack at least one pair, and these might be it because it can match kind of anything. So the next outfit is this navy blue polka dot jacket with these really nice cream white jeans. My mom actually took in this jacket a little bit because it was a little bit bigger than I wanted, and she was able to tailor the back to make it more fitting, and I'm so grateful that she did that. This jacket is from the Red, White, and Blue thrift store in Tampa. Baggy low-rise jeans, once again, from Abercrombie & Fitch. And then my shoes again, Rothys, obviously. And they're actually navy blue. I use the sandwich method for this outfit. Okay, we are now on to the next category, which is skirt outfits. I do want to mention I don't really have a lot of jewelry and accessories or bags with me just because I'm probably just gonna have like the same crossbody during the day to avoid pickpocketers. That's why I don't really have anything in my hands. I absolutely love this set so much. It's definitely one of my favorites of this entire video. But hopefully on a warmer day I can wear this. This is from the brand Donna Rico, I believe. I got this off Depop. So it has these beautiful little polka dots and then these roses and kind of like an ombre fade out bottom, which is gorgeous. And then I have, again, my ballerina Rothys. You can walk all around the city. I have walked around New York City in a pair of Rothys and I was completely fine. I have this beautiful flowy kind of butterfly mermaidish type of top. I don't know, that's what it kind of reminds me of at least. And this is from Depop and I love the little color scheme that it has. I have this skirt from Aerie that I've had for a few years. It has a little bit of shimmer and this cute little bow detail at the waistline. I am pairing it with these shoes from Bamboo. I can't wait to wear it to probably a fancy dinner. Another all pink outfit / set. This one is from Jerf Avenue. I've had it for a couple years now. I always wear this blazer to work actually because it is just the perfect tiny little pink blazer. And then underneath I actually have this very gorgeous corset top that I thrifted at Market in Tampa. I just thought it would be fun because there's these little ruffles at the bottom and I really like the top of the corset too. I am obviously wearing my pink Rothys again. When you're on vacation, you need to reuse those shoes because that's like the bulk. We're doing a day trip to Lake Como, so I'm thinking this is probably the outfit that I'm gonna choose to wear. I just feel like maybe it'll match the vibe. I'm not too sure. I've never been, so I guess we'll see. I have this very gorgeous knitted sweater from Jerf Avenue. It has these little pockets, which I thought that was super cute, but I love the stripes. beautiful knitted skirt from Djerf Avenue as well, and that's why the creams match up extremely well. Pairing it with some Rothys as well. Next is this fun ballerina core inspired outfit. I got this rosette tie from Petite Moments. I just think the pink and the brown go really well together, and I originally was going to do a brown top, but then I got this other brown dress and I'm like, it's a little bit too much brown. So I'm wearing this fun little top from Cuckoo Intimates. It's in a very beautiful ballerina pink. These tops are inspired by Jane Birkin icon. A ruffled skirt from Zara. My same ballet Rothys to go along with it. I haven't really finalized this outfit yet because I'm not sure that I love it. I did have another shirt in mind before, and it was this Djerf Avenue button-down top, and it's in gelato stripe, I believe is the color, and it was really fun, but I feel like the skirt needs a little more of like a simplistic top. This shirt is from Zara. I like this ribbon detail here. I'll still probably bring this top anyway, even if I don't pair it with this. This skirt is super cute, also from Zara. Very lightweight spring material. Rothys, the cream color with golden buckles. Next on the menu is dresses. Kind of like a turquoise blue drop waist dress. I love how far it goes down. These heels are also from Target, which I wore earlier. It honestly is so comfortable. Like, I feel like I could sleep in this dress. I thrifted this absolutely gorgeous chocolate brown dress the other day. These beaded details at the top and ruche detailing down the center. I'm definitely going to be wearing this to one of the fancier dinners there. I'm not sure if this is too extra, but I think it's very beautiful to wear for a night out. The same Target nude heels. Now we're heading to jackets and jeans, or cardigans and jeans, because it's kind of like a mix. My first outfit is 100% Djerf Avenue, except for my literally exhausted pink Mary Jane ballet flats from Rothys. I have this little pink scarf, cardigan, and if you're gonna buy one thing from Djerf Avenue, may I suggest this cardigan. I have it in white, gray, and brown, and now pink. I have this leather jacket that I thrifted from Salvation Army the other day. This top from Djerf Avenue is just a basic little white tank top. This scarf from Djerf Avenue. Pants are from Djerf Avenue as well. Polka dot New Balances for once. I'm wearing sneakers, but I'll probably be wearing them more often than I think I will. And last but not least is this outfit. So I thrifted this leather jacket from Salvation Army a few weeks ago. There's kind of like a fun print to it as well. And I have a long sleeve top from Djerf Avenue, just in case it's a bit chillier. So I have an extra layer added on. And I have these jeans from Abercrombie, again, the baggy low-rise. Another pair of Rothys, more of like a pointed toe shoe, which I thought was a little bit more complimentary towards this outfit. So I am like holding up all these clothes in a pile, and I'm thinking I probably won't be able to fit all of this into a suitcase because this is kind of insane and absurd. To fit a lot more than I thought I would be able to. Everything fits. I don't have my shoes in here yet, which is a little scary. Might need to bring a carry-on, but so far this isn't as bad as I thought it would be. I always pack for my boyfriend, everyone in my family, because they're like, please help me fit everything. So I feel like as long as you roll the pieces that you know aren't going to wrinkle as bad, I feel like that's the best method. Or for something like this that will, I kind of just fold it in half. So that's kind of like my travel tip, but I know that this top won't wrinkle, so I can go ahead and kind of like roll it like that. But if I have any skirts that I know will get wrinkled, I'll usually put it at the bottom as a base layer, then it won't get as wrinkled, and then hopefully I'm going to be able to bring a steamer with me on this trip because I know that everything's gonna end up getting wrinkled. That's kind of the method to the madness for me personally. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed the outfit inspiration and kind of packing with me. And I hope this gave you a little bit of inspiration of what you want to bring. And I will see you in the next video.